This is our group equipment that we're gonna use in our project. So first of all, we have the Arduino board, USB cable to connect the Arduino board into the CPU, keypad, and a wire to connect the keypad into the Arduino board. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna assemble all of this. Okay, and then we will connect 4 of the wire to the analog port and 4 of the wire into the digital port. The wire into the Arduino board. And then we will connect the Arduino board into the CPU. Okay, so it is finished now, and then we will connect this to the PC.
Okay, so let's start with the explanation. So as you can see that we have about the 96 line of code. It is very long, so let's break it down first, part by part. This part of the code make this keypad to be usable. So let's start with them first. In the first line, we have that it is a hashtag include keypad.h. This make this keypad work normally. If we not put it here, this keypad not going to work. So it is very important. And after that, we have the variable. You can see we have first, second, total, and custom key. The first make it that it store the first number that we enter. The second store the number that we enter. The total is the result of the operation. And the custom key is a temporarily store the key that we paste. And after that, you can see that we have this part of the code. This part made the keypad size. These two lines of code specify the keypad dimension. It is a 4 row and 4 column. And after that, it is a key layout. This part of the code make the key label on my 4x4 keypad. It is a 2D array character, and each character represent the button. And as you can see, we have 0 to 9, and then we have the operator plus, minus, time, and divide. And we also have the special key, this C and this asterisk symbol. C is stand for clear, and asterisk symbol we use is to calculate the result. And after that, we have this part of the code. This is the row and the column pin. This map the Arduino pin to connect with the row and column of the keypad. And the row start with the number 2 to 5, and the column start with A3 to A0. And since the analog pin is 14 to 17 corresponding to A0 to A3. Yeah. And we finally come to this part of the code. This is the creating the keypad section. This code made that the key layout and column pin and the size to be usable. Okay, after we finish this 21 line of code, this set up the 4x4 keypad to the function of the keypad to work normally, but we didn't append the logic behind the keypad yet, so let's start with that next. Okay, this part, this initialize the serial monitor to be above the 9600 bit rate. And after that, we have the loop function. This part continuously check if any key is placed on the keypad. If no key is placed, nothing gonna happen. It's not going to work. And after that, we have the custom key, handle key input. We have this many case. It is for the operation in the calculator. So this part allow the multi-digit input. For example, like 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna group them into 1, 2, 3, and it also convert the number like this number 0 into the integer 0. And after that, we have this case plus this case part is a ternary operator. The meaning is that if the total is not 0, you is at the first number, otherwise it just keep the column first. And why did we do that? Because we want to do the normal calculation. And you can see we have this. we have the serial, the pin line plus. This pin the plus symbol of the serial monitor, so you can see which operator you are pressing. And after that we have the second number. This called the custom function, which wait for the number input on the keypad and return into the addition. And after that we have total equal to first plus second. This perform the calculation. And after that we have the serial dot pin line total. This display the result of the addition on the serial monitor. And we have first equal to 0, second equal to 0. This reset both of the operands, so you can start fresh or do another operation using the total. And this break is just if it finish calculation, it's gonna stop. Program is going to stop. So if you do this for the past, you just change the operation symbol for the minus, for the time symbol, and for the device symbol. And after that we have the KC. This part carry the current result, or allowing you to do the new calculation from the scratch. And after that we have the second number function. This wait for the user to input the second number and then pair the equal symbol. It allow multi-digit number like 45, 123 for example. And after you pair the equal symbol, it's going to perform the operation. Yeah. And is everything finished, we just break the program. So it's going to do the operation normally. So the example for the program is gonna be, if you press the number 1, 2, 3, it's gonna group them together to be the integer 1, 2, 3, and then we pair the operation symbol, for example plus, and then we press 4 and 5 again. So it's going to be 123 plus 45. It's going to display 168. Yeah, so about it. Oh, okay, so let's see what it is going to look like in the program. So the first we have to plug it in the PC first. And we have to modify the code first. And we have to wait for it first. And then we upload it into the Arduino board. Okay, so you can see that if I paste I have to take this serial monitor first, and I want to perform the operation like 55 time 66. Okay, you see the result that is working normally. And we can press this C button, and then we can perform the fresh operation. Let's see, 45 minus 3. Yeah, so it's working as it intended.